At SafetyQuip, we're often asked to provide respirators for people undertaking spraying applications. Now that may include spraying paints, spraying pesticides or herbicides, maybe fiberglassing applications. I'm going to run through 3 of the popular respirator kits that are available on the Australian market. Now it's so much easier, if you don't have any respiratory products at the moment, it's so much easier to purchase a kit that comes complete with the filters and a storage box to keep the respirator and the filters in long term. So these all have a storage box. The storage box is excellent to prolong the life of the filters. Now the filters that you would typically use for spraying applications are ones that have carbon or charcoal in the filters. Now if you leave them out on a bench or out in open air and then you go to use them sometime later, the filters are often saturated with gases and vapours that they've absorbed from the ambient air, since you've used them last. So they're often not suitable to use after that. So we recommend that these filters that we're about to look at are kept in an airtight environment. So hence the storage box is excellent, prolongs the life of the filters. Now the first kit, this is the 3M 6251 A1P2 Spraying Respirator Kit. So it's this product here on the head. So this is what we call the Half Face Respirator, that's the 6000 series Half Face Respirator. Now the filters that are on there, these are the A1P2 filters. This is an entry-level reusable respirator. So the respirator itself is reusable. You can remove these filters and you can replace them when they need to be replaced. The respirator should last many, many years if it's looked after well. The next one up from that is along here. This is again a 3M product. This is the 3M 7551 A1P2 Spraying Respirator Kit. Now you'll see the filters are identical on this one. So the respirator itself, the blue respirator, that's what we call the 7500 series respirator. Now the advantages of that's considered to be a premium respirator. The advantages are the mask itself is made of silicone, so it's very soft. It achieves an excellent face seal. It's very comfortable to wear if you have to wear that respirator for an extended period of time. I also like the exhalation valve on this respirator. Directs the air down. We call it a cool flow valve. So the exhalation valve is actually tucked up under here, and when you breathe out, the air goes down. So that has the feature of reduced fogging of eye protection. Because the airflow is going down rather than straight out and maybe blowing up in your eyes, it tends not to fog up your glasses or goggles as much. It's a nifty feature. Now, if you need an increased level of protection from a half-face respirator, this product around here is what we call a full-face respirator kit. So again, exactly the same filter. The kit that we're looking at here is the 3M Spraying and Painting Respirator Kit. It's the 6851 kit. Now, that filter is attached to the full face respirator. That's a reusable full face respirator. What I like about a full face respirator is the excellent seal that the respirator achieves. You'll see that there's almost a double seal. So around the outside there's a seal, and it's like there's almost a half face respirator inside the product, covering the nose and the mouth. So it's a double seal, achieving an exceptional seal on the face, so providing a higher level of protection. Speak with the team at the local SafetyQuip branch for further information on your particular contaminants at work. We'd love to assist. We can answer lots of questions regarding spraying respirator kits. We'd love to help.